trade places with someone for a day, who would you choose and why?
Mr. Philippines, kung pwede ka makipagpalit ang lugar, king meto nga tao, king meto nga aldo, kanino ka makipagpalit at bakit?
Muna may pabingin kaya kayuan siguro ika na ako sagot nung magipagpalit kong pwesto siguro kay Presidente kasi muna burig yung mas maging masensuin kaya katamong lugar at dakal na lugar kaya katamong Pilipinas na linda ba aking den turista na pwede tamo bang ibiye sa ka rin alang obra kini Pilipinas kaya yung kanakong kung magipagpalit kong lugar kay Presidente. Thank you.
If I will be given the chance to exchange position with one person, I will choose the President because I feel that I can do something for the country, especially for the tourism industry because there are a lot of people that do not have jobs. That's why if I help promote the tourism industry, then our country will be okay. That's why I chose to exchange place with the President of the Philippines.